Hi, my name is Carly Schaefer, and today I'll be talking about eutrophication. That's right, eutrophication, a big word for a not-so-fun process. This is what causes algae blooms in lakes. But what exactly causes this to occur, and what's going on underneath? Well, one way it can begin is starting on a little farm, where a farmer decides that he wants his crops to grow big and strong. So, he pours fertilizer all over the crops, and they love it, and they do grow big and strong. However, when it rains, this fertilizer can travel over to nearby bodies of water, like lakes, via runoff. And once they get there, the nutrients pollute the water, and the algae takes it up and grows and grows and grows all over the surface of the lake. Well, what's wrong with this nutrient pollution? Besides the fact that the algae covers the whole lake and it just looks gross and nobody's going to want to swim in that, the algae is stealing the thunder, or more like the sunlight, away from the aquatic plants below. And that's a problem, because aquatic plants are photoautotrophs, meaning that they use the sunlight to make their own food. So, no sunlight equals no food, which equals death for these aquatic plants. But who needed those old plants anyways? Well, the fish do. In addition to food for the plant, photosynthesis also gives us oxygen. You know, the stuff that we breathe in and need to live. Well, the fish actually need this oxygen too, in the form of dissolved oxygen, which is exactly what it sounds like, oxygen that's dissolved in the water. So, if there are no aquatic plants living to give off this oxygen for the fish will die as well. Following all this death is the need for decomposers. These decomposers also use dissolved oxygen in order to function, to break down dead organic matter. So now, there's even less dissolved oxygen left in the water for any remaining organisms. A very sad process indeed. If left uncared for, eutrophication can cause a lake to go into complete chaos. Who is out there to stop this horrible thing from happening? Well, the EPA is putting multiple actions in place to try to reduce nutrient pollution, including overseeing regulatory programs, conducting outreach to educate others, and working with our farmers to figure out how we can make the best crops while keeping our bodies of water safe. I'm Carly Schaefer, and this was Eutrophication.